Well, here we are with my favorite 16,000 Shapton glass stone. Love this tool. I use it all the time. And it actually comes together in a set from Shapton, packaged with the 2000 and the 500. This is a 0.92 micron stone, so it's just under a micron. The 2000 is a 7.35 micron stone, and the 500 is 29.4, nearly 30 microns. So you can see there's a big space between this 29 micron stone and the 0.92 micron stone. We might as well just call that a 1 micron for ease of conversation, I suppose. A lot of people think this jump is too big, but actually the engineers at Shapton and me personally, we all feel that the 16 has some qualities and characteristics that are really useful in knife sharpening. For instance, with the 16, you can literally join the edge, just very lightly pull the knife across the stone, take off any little bit of burr material that you have, and then come back and follow up with just a little bit of very fine honing along the edge again. So that'll make a very tough edge. You can also use the 500 here to turn a whole new burr. You can put the 500 up here, put some water on it, flatten it, and now put the knife on the 500, and we're removing serious metal. You can hear it. You can hear the abrasive taking away the metal. This is a very tough powder metal from Takamura. Just amazing. Love the way this abrasive is cutting away this very tough steel. I can then quite simply go over to the 2000. Touch it up just a little bit. Make sure it's nice and flat. Very, very easily take all those 500 foot scratches right out. Again, you can hear the abrasive, but it's a different sound this time. Then I can move up to the 16. Rinse everything off. Clean up those 2000 grit scratches. The Shapton removes steel so nicely. Just touch it up there, a couple more passes, and it's really that easy, folks. If you do that often, you can maintain an unbelievably sharp edge here. Now, this set comes with the holder, so you have all three pieces, the 500, the 2000, and the 16,000. And they all pack right up inside the stone holder, which you can leave out on the counter and just use it like a tray. It also comes with a Velcro strap that wraps around the outside. You can throw it in your backpack, take it to work, take it to the kitchen. The really cool thing about the 16 is that you can use it in lieu of a steel. You can set this up in the kitchen by your sink, start cooking. At the end of the night, maybe 10 o'clock, the knife isn't working quite as well. Just come right over to the stone and just hit it 1, 2, 1, 2, just a couple of passes, just like you would use a steel, and then go back to work. Very efficient. We really think this 3-stone set is the way to go. Get to know Shapton. It could be the only Shapton stones you ever use.